Hey guys, so some of you asked me to cover some really cool apps or some cool things to do on the Watch Active 2. So here it is. Some of these are so useful and some of them are going to get you really excited, and some of them are kind of fun, but also some of them are very useful. So this video is overall going to be very useful. So please guys, make sure you like this video, also subscribe. Let's begin. The first one is a very cool utility. Go into the Galaxy Store and just download this app. This is from Samsung and it is completely free. So once you open this, you need to pair this with your computer or phone. As you can see here, you can pair this just like any other Bluetooth device. So you can see here my laptop is paired up and it's connected. So the coolest thing is I can control my presentations remotely on the watch. Now this is very useful for students or teachers, for anyone basically who is trying to give presentations and want to sort of move between slides and stuff. Amazing stuff, and it works really well. Another cool thing is it can actually work like a trackpad or a mouse, and it actually works with my MacBook as well. So pretty good stuff, definitely check it out. So the next one is, if you don't like the default app launcher, if you find this boring, then you can download an app launcher. I mean, this is called the Swirl app launcher, and you can add this as a widget and your apps will look something like this. Definitely looks cool, and do try it out if you ever feel it's boring. Now this one is a very useful thing that most people may be unaware of. Just open the Samsung Health app and go into the fitness tab on the bottom. Just find any workout that you like. Let's say I'll choose this. Now on the bottom you will find add this program. Once you click that, you will also get a notification on your watch, as you can see here. Now go back to the phone and click on the workout, and here you will find the option to download the workout. Just download it. It takes about a few minutes depending on your net connection. And once you do this, the coolest thing that you can do with this is you can start the workout on the watch, and when you do that, it will automatically launch that video on the phone. But this is not a normal video guys, this actually has that
ready for basic walking. 2 minutes, 2 seconds.
Instructions and the voice feedback as well, something similar to the Apple Fitness Plus. Now you can mirror this to your big screen TV and do the workout while you're watching it. Very useful thing, definitely do try it out. So moving to the next one, if you ever feel like your watch is kind of slow or laggy, just change the double press home key to recent apps. I already talked about in the last video, but really you can just close the apps that you don't really use. You can see there are so many apps that are probably not used much, so I can close them or I can close them all, but don't overdo it. Clean them up in just about once in a couple of days and you will notice that it gets a little bit smoother. Now let me talk about a couple of app recommendations that I find them pretty useful as well. So the first one is the Watch Translator. Now as the name suggests, it can auto detect the language that you speak and translates this into some other languages, but sadly there is no Hindi support. But the coolest thing is
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Cómo estás?
it reads out that, so pronunciation wise it is pretty good and it's free, so why not check it out. And finally, another app from Samsung and completely free, altimeter and barometer. Now this is very useful for those who go for hiking and stuff. It can calculate the altitude, which is very important in those high areas. Again, it's a completely free app, so definitely give it a try. If you want me to cover more cool stuff on this watch, do let me know in the comments. Also like this video guys. Thanks for watching. That's been it. I'll see you soon.